Surveen Chawla's classy typewriter look. Her hair is short and styled in soft waves, and she was seen in a deep green dress. Surveen Chawla shared a new photo on Instagram. She is sitting at a dressing table with a typewriter in front of her. She looks straight into the camera with a calm expression. The photo has a warm golden background. Her hair is short and styled in soft waves, and she was seen in a deep green dress. Her caption says, I type better love stories than I live, but hey, the dress certainly helps. She tagged several people in her post. She mentioned stylist at rate of Tang Havry. She credited at rate of Tuffle India and at rate of Anaya Kotwala for her dress. She tagged at rate of Rubans.in and at rate of Oak Pin IONPR for her earrings. She tagged at rate of Mazzetti for her rings. She tagged at rate of IMAX opticals and watches for her sunglasses. She mentioned at rate of Prachi is Singh 98 for assistance. She credited at rate of Tina Mukherjee for her hair. B at rate of Harry Rajput 64 for makeup. The photo was clicked by at rate of Tejas Nehru Kaur, Surveen Chawla and Parajakta Kohli will star in a new supernatural horror series titled Andhera. Farhan Akhtar's Excel Entertainment is producing the series. The show will also feature Priya Bapat, Karanveer Malhotra, Vatsal Arshit, Parveen Dabas, and Parane Achuri in important roles. It has 8 episodes. The series is created by Gaurav Desai. He has written it with Raghav Dar, Chintan Ansarda and Karan and Shuman. Raghav Dar has also directed the series. Thank you for watching Showbiz International News. Please subscribe Showbiz International News for updating news and more information.